I keep having nightmares about telling you guys to eat corn and eggs for breakfast every day. I know I'm a big old boy from Texas and it's not fair for me to impart my values upon the more coastal, health-conscious type. So here's a short outline for a fast, make-ahead breakfast for people who do not want to wake up to 600 calories. In a bowl, scoop a spoonful of good organic jam or preserves, followed by a quarter cup or so of full-fat Greek yogurt. Use Fayet, not something with sugar added to it. Mix these two together into a streaky base and build it up around the walls of the bowl. This is a good opportunity to mix in any kind of superfood powders you might have foraged from the local co-op. Maca root, goji powder, activated charcoal, whatever sparks your joy. In the center, spoon in some granola. I like to make my own granola because it is far cheaper and more easily customizable. Most store-bought granola has a ton of white sugar in it, and I can make mine chock full of nuts with just a little bit of maple syrup. This could use a little bit more protein, so I also want to add a super basic chia pudding, a digestible misnomer for the mucilaginous result of getting chia seeds wet. It's not nearly as disgusting as it looks. Just take a tablespoon of chia seeds and hydrate them overnight in the fridge with some kind of flavorful liquid. Kombucha, pomegranate juice, almond milk, chilled tea, any liquid works. This one is pomegranate juice. I will top everything off with some raw almonds I toasted in coconut oil, unsweetened coconut flakes, and a pinch of salt, and that's it. You can arrange 5 of these in individual take-to-work containers on a Sunday night, so a few minutes of effort yield breakfast every day of the work week. The batching potential here is truly enormous. You only have to cook breakfast once a month if you time it right. Granola lasts a really long time. Toasted nuts last a while, and the chia pudding can stay in your fridge for like 2 weeks. And it's completely customizable too. With 2 jams, 2 chia pudding flavors, and 2 different types of granolas, you can make a different combination 8 days in a row, and that's without the additional potential of adding extra seeds, fresh fruits, or citrus zest. This super simple approach to breakfast prep gives you protein and slow carbs and never gets old. And nor will you, because if you stick to food this healthy, you will live until age 200. Namaste.